Did you know the website creation industry is worth $3.5 billion, as it is a must for everyone who wants to have a business presence online? What if I told you that you can effortlessly create any type of websites for you and your clients in 60 seconds flat? GoBuildr, the world's first and only all-in-one AI site builder, instantly creates ultra-lightning fast websites, sales funnels, landing pages, e-com stores, drop shipping sites, LMS, course sites, agency websites, digital marketplace, affiliate sites, and appointment booking website with just a keyword, without any technical skills or experience, for a low one-time fee. No monthly fee, free lifetime hosting. Yes, that's right. It's 16x better than any page builder out there because it combines all their functionality into one single app, and even better and smarter with AI-assisted technology. That means you can create 16x better websites, 16x better sales funnel, 16x better landing pages, 16x better e-commerce stores, 16x better dropshipping sites, 16x better LMS, course websites, 16x better local business sites, 16x better digital marketplace, 16x better portfolio websites, 16x better appointment websites. And unlike other page builders, GoBuildr build real functioning websites, and not just website with templates. 16x cheaper, better and easier than ClickFunnel, Shopify, Convertri, Wix, and other page builders. Build AI-assisted websites that auto-rank on Google for instant free traffic. One click to create your own ultra-lightning fast websites from over 7,500 premium templates. Creates any type of website in any language with voice command or keyword. No tech skills or experience. Anyone can do this. Just 3 simple steps to create your own AI-powered, ultra-blazing fast stunning website. GoBuildr comes with loads of amazing features you need to create your ultra-fast loading sleek site. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking tool. Start building your ultra-fast websites, sales funnels, e-com stores, drop shipping sites, and more. Check the below link to watch the GoBuildr in action now.